How to use Emergency SOS via satellite. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. Step 3. At the very bottom, tap Try Demo. Step 4. Here you'll see information about the satellite connection feature. Tap Next. Step 5. Here you'll learn about answering emergency questions. Tap Next. Step 6. Now you'll be able to test your satellite connection. You can do this in a remote location without an internet or cellular connection for authenticity. Step 7. You will have to confirm to turn off cellular temporarily in order to test connecting to a satellite. Step 8. You will be instructed to get a clear view of the sky. By pointing your phone up at the sky, avoiding clouds and buildings if possible, your iPhone will guide you in the correct location so that you are pointing directly at the satellite. It can take some time. Step 9. When you point at the correct spot, you'll see that you are connected. You'll have to keep your phone pointed at that satellite to maintain a connection. Step 10. You'll get a series of emergency questions that you have to answer to help dispatchers find and help you. After 4 questions, you'll see this message. Step 11. You can now exit the demo or try it again to get more familiar with it. Step 12. You'll be notified about your cellular connection being restored.